Hey, welcome to episode 2 of Quarantine Science. I traded in Rapunzel for my daughter to be my lab partner this time around, so Ella's going to help us out on this experiment. But we're going to build off of what we learned yesterday. Essential questions are going to be rolling across the screen. Okay, so here's what we're going to be looking at is how do the surfaces on Earth affect the air temperature. So we learned yesterday that certain surfaces absorb thermal energy and release thermal energy faster than others. So what we're going to do is take a look at those exact same surfaces with monitors going off. That's what happens here in Quarantine Science. It's just not perfect. But anyway, we're going to take a look at sand and water again. But first, we're going to need our materials. We're going to need water. Hey, there it is, perfect. Now, I'll probably use my lab assistant for the next one. We're gonna need sand. Ella, I need you to hold your hands out like this. Like that, because hopefully we can get some sand in there, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect, good job, you got the sand. That's what we needed. We just need a few more instruments here, and then we can get rolling. So, just go ahead and hold that sand for me, and then we're all set. Let's get a few more things. Looks like we got everything. That's perfect. Gosh, that is handy. All right, but the first thing is, Ella, hey, I want to make sure that we're safe, okay? So we got to be really careful with our safety. So let's get our protective gear. I want you to, let's just look ahead here and let's be ready. On 3, what we'll do is you and I are going to point to the camera, okay? So on 3, we're going to go boom. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. We're safe now. How about that? Do you like it? We're going to be plenty safe. Might be overkill, but whatever. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to quickly take a look at the temperatures of our sand and water. We're going to measure the air temperature just up above those. So we'll hold these here for a quick second and try to get a good reading. All right, so here we go. The sand in Fahrenheit is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. 72. The water up above is 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey, that was 12 minutes with the water and the sand and the heat. Let's turn this off. I lost my science partner though. She couldn't handle the heat, so I told her to get out of the kitchen. That was just as bad as the Rapunzel Tangled one. I know. All right, get ready for your... Oh my gosh, it's probably hot. Don't fall. Don't fall. Hold on. Out of frame. Out of frame. Okay, here we go. Back in. Air temperature for sand and water after the 15 minutes. All right, here we go. Our sand is up to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Right about 80 degrees Fahrenheit is our water. See you in 15 more minutes after this cools. Boom. There we go. There's been another 15 minutes outside of the heat. Let's go ahead and measure the air temperature of these. Let's drop it down to sand is at 75 degrees. And then the water is at, oh wow, that was a big change. 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Good job. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. And we'll see you out there.